You know what's funny? Some people spend $250 on earbuds and still lose them within a month. Meanwhile, people like me lose earbuds so often that buying expensive ones feels more like making a donation. That's why today we're checking out the Aptkdoe wireless earbuds. At around $25, they're trying to deliver premium features without the premium price tag. First impressions are solid. The case is compact, the sporty earhooks look workout ready, and thankfully Aptkdoe uses real physical buttons. No accidental pauses, no random song skips. Just simple controls that actually work when you need them. Now let's talk sound quality. These earbuds feature large 14.2mm drivers, and honestly, they sound better than you'd expect at this price. The bass is punchy, vocals are clear, and the overall sound feels energetic whether you're listening to music, podcasts, or workout playlists. One user even said, "The sound is amazing." There is good bass coming from these small earbuds, and it's easy to see why. Call quality is surprisingly good too. Thanks to the ENC noise reduction microphones, background noise is reduced so your voice comes through much clearer during calls. Whether you're taking a quick call on the go or joining an online meeting, they get the job done. Battery life is where these earbuds really shine. You get up to 15 hours on a single charge and up to 75 hours with the charging case. That's enough battery life to make your charger wonder if it's still needed. The LED display on the case is also a nice touch, letting you see exactly how much power is left at a glance. Connectivity is handled by Bluetooth 5.4, which means fast pairing and a stable connection. Simply open the case and the earbuds connect almost instantly. No Bluetooth headaches, no endless reconnecting, just open and listen. For fitness users, the TPU earhooks are a big advantage. They help keep the earbuds secure while running, cycling, working out, or doing pretty much any activity where regular earbuds might decide to escape. The IPX7 waterproof rating also means sweat and light rain won't be a problem. To keep things honest, not every user had a perfect experience. One reviewer mentioned that the fit didn't work well for their ears, which affected the bass response. That's something to keep in mind because earbud fit is different for everyone. Thankfully, Aptkdoe includes multiple ear tip sizes to help you find the right fit. So, should you buy them? If you're looking for affordable earbuds with strong battery life, solid sound, clear calls, reliable Bluetooth, and a secure sports design, the Aptkdoe wireless earbuds are an easy recommendation. For around $25, they deliver far more than you'd expect. And honestly, any earbuds that sound this good and still leave enough money in your wallet for coffee deserve some respect. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. What's the fastest you've ever lost a pair of earbuds?